Welcome to the new BMC Compuware product build request site. In this video, we will show you how to download your BMC Compuware products, maintenance, and request passwords. Please go to www.bmc.com/support and click on Login on the top right-hand side. Enter your email address as username and your password and click Sign In. If you need a new product license key, please create a case for the product you need the password for, provide your client number, and ensure to select the box for Entitlement and License Key Password Issue. There are different ways to access the BMC Compuware product and maintenance download site. Click on Downloads and Products and select Mainframe Maintenance from the drop-down menu. Click on BMC Compuware Maintenance Packaging Engine, or click on Downloads and Products and select Downloads from the drop-down menu. Click on Product Download Tool. For all options, you may be presented with an Export Compliance and Terms of Use screen. You have an option to change the language of agreements as needed. When presented, you need to enter appropriate information in the required fields, read through all the agreements, and then click on Accept or Reject. Acceptance will bring you to the EPD landing page. If rejected, you will be navigated to the Support Central site. Use the search bar to look up your product of interest. For example, if you own Abend Aid, you can start typing Abend and it will pop up. Click on a version for download and Component View will open in a new tab. Here you have the product and maintenance build request link. Patches will send you to the maintenance instructions page and then to the same product maintenance build form. However, for the former IDP products, you will find the cumulative maintenance available for download here. In license information, you will find the emergency key and instructions where applicable. Product documentation for the product version you have selected can be found here. Click on Product and Maintenance Build Request link. You will first see your order dashboard displaying any processed or in-progress orders. Click on the Compuware Products tab. Select your order type as product order or cumulative maintenance. Search for the product you wish to download. If you do not see the expected product and would like to add a new support contract, click here. This will open a new browser tab for the Manage Support ID application on Support Central, where you can add or remove support contracts. If you add or remove any support contract successfully, please switch back to the EPD BMC Mainframe browser tab and refresh your browser to reflect the changes. Product orders will be of the latest version automatically, but if you select Cumulative Maintenance, please select the version you wish to download. Click on the product name and select from the required dependent and recommended products as you desire and click on Done to add it to your selected products list. You may notice that these selections are the same as those found on the self-service application from the Compuware site. One difference is that we do not yet have the option to request a license as part of the order, but we are working on that as a future enhancement. You can edit your selection by clicking on the pen or remove it by selecting the X. Click on Continue to proceed with your order. Select Electronic Distribution to receive a download link or physical media and fill out the shipping information if you require a physical copy. We will provide the media for the build that you have requested. Click Continue. Review your order and enter your order name. This name is highly restrictive. Numbers, letters, underscore, no spaces, and up to 29 characters. For example, seems like it can be this big. You can enter an additional email address to be included in the confirmation emails if needed. Otherwise, you will receive it in your BMC support email address found in your support profile. Click Continue. You will be presented with an end-user license agreement. Please enter appropriate information in the required fields, read through all the agreements, and then click on Accept or Reject. If you accept, your order will be processed and your order confirmation will be displayed. You will receive an order confirmation email within a minute from BMC to let you know the packager received your request. There is no further action required from you at this point. Once your order is processed and ready for download, you will receive a confirmation email with the subject Mainframe Evolution Delivered. This email comes from the same packager as was used by Compuware Self-Service and can take several minutes depending upon how many requests are being processed at the same time. Please follow the instructions in the email to access your products. This will be familiar to you with the same download endpoints as before. You can also review your order status in your order dashboard. There are 2 tabs, In Progress and Completed Requests. Please refresh your browser to get an updated view of your progress. If you need further assistance, please email us at customer_care@bmc.com and we will be happy to assist you further.